It is an honor and privilege to have 73 plus teachers here with us today that have been instructing our parents and helping them develop different job skills, different areas on how to improve their English. It is an honor and privilege to be here to recognize them for their volunteerism that they have been able to do throughout the year.
These are parents or people from our community that just want to give time and want to help the community because they volunteer and they provide all kinds of courses for our parents for free. So that says a lot.
They give a lot of their time, not just once, twice a week. They put out of their pocket. They do anything they can to make their students feel comfortable and get the point across or whatever it is they're teaching across. On my end, I feel it feels great to see all these parents. Yes, this is volunteer for me because our whole goal is to educate not only the kids, the parents as well to a better life.